For elevated design and audio performance, check out Klipsch Reference Premier Speakers. Reimagined from the ground up, the all-new Reference Premier line combines more than 70 years of acoustic engineering expertise with cutting-edge technology and powerful performances that only Klipsch can bring to your home theater and hi-fi listening environment. These high-performance speakers deliver the purest of sound thanks to proprietary Klipsch Tractrix horn technology with an all-new vented tweeter design. No wasted energy, just clear and detailed music and movie soundtracks direct to your ears. Available in ebony, walnut, and premium hand-sanded piano gloss finishes, there's a Reference Premier model to complement your decor. No matter your style, these speakers boast high-end materials and components that look as good as they sound. With elegant copper trim rings, cast aluminum feet, scratch-resistant satin-painted baffles, and removable magnetic grills, the Reference Premier series from Klipsch delivers a feature-rich, premium aesthetic. For legendary, impactful sound in any setting, plus features and performance that stand above the rest, step up to Reference Premier from Klipsch. Klipsch, keepers of the sound.